How to find square root of 625 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so this is our first pair, then this is our second pair. In second pair we have just only one digit. Now you have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 6 or closer to 6. So if you take here look 3, then 3 square will be 9, which is greater than 6. So 2 is perfect. So if you place here 2, the 2 must come to the quotient also. So 2 times 2, that gives you 4. Subtract 6, take 4 out of 6, you are getting to bring down the next pair. Now you have placed here 2 in the quotient, so same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add 2 plus 2, 4. Now you have to place here a number, this number must come here and you need to multiply and check. This product, right, the product will be equal to 225 or nearest to 225. So if you place here look 5, if you place here 5, so 5 times 45, 5, that is 5 times 45 equal to what? 5 times 5, 25, 5 carry 2 to the next column, 5 times 420 plus 2, 22, 225, which is equal to this. So our gauging number 5 is here is correct. So 5 times 45, 225. Subtract, you are getting 0 as our remainder is 0. We are done. To check, look, just we have written here the digit 5, so the same digit will come under this divisor and add 5 plus 5, 10, write 0, carry on to the next column, 4 plus 1, 5. Look, this number, the double of this number is 50, so we can say that our answer 25 is correct. So the square root of 625 is 25.